Hello students, today I am here to give you the question answers of the last chapter. The question answers and the exercise part. Okay, so please take out your book and a pencil in your hand and let's start doing it. Take out page number 36. Page number 36. So, first exercise is true and false. Write true or false for the particular statement. Hill people are rich and always unhappy. This is false. Kaveri led a lazy and indisciplined life. That is again false. Kaveri was a firm believer of God. True. Kaveri has saved a sum of 1,000 rupees. True. Ronak's father died suddenly. That is false. Now come to the next part. Let me turn this so that you can see nicely. Complete the following sentences. Hill people are poor but they are honest and cheerful. Then the next is Kaveri was able to raise money to the Sarpanch, a sum of rupees 1,000 to him. Kaveri's parents couldn't go on a pilgrimage because of poverty and ill health. Ronak sobbed uncomfortably because of the death of his mother. Kaveri felt as if God has helped her profoundly in her own house. Kaveri was extremely happy to think that she helped the family and it was true pilgrimage for her. Money used to help the needy is to whoever are in need we can help them. So these are the incomplete sentences. We have done with the completing them. Now let's start with the next page, that is the question and answers. So let's start the question and answers. First, what kind of woman was Kaveri? Kaveri was very poor but honest and cheerful person and was virtuous woman. What desire had Kaveri been nursing from her young days? Kaveri had been nursing from her young days that she wanted to go on a pilgrimage. Question number 3. What was Kaveri doing to fulfill her desire? Kaveri was wise, so she had been saving money since a long time by depositing it in a tin box. Question number 4. Who was Ronak? Why was he crying? Ronak was a young boy and he was crying because he had no money for burial of his sudden death of his father. Last question. How did Kaveri help Ronak? Kaveri helped Ronak by giving money for the last ritual of his father. So here is the question answers completed. Let's move to the next part, that is, what would you do in the following situation? Now these are the situations given. What you can do is, I would ask my mother to buy a poor child looks longingly at your ice cream. What would you do? I would ask my mother to buy an ice cream for him also. A child is not allowed to enter the temple. I will take that child to temple with my parents because we all are equal in everyone's eye. We all are human beings. So everybody should enter in the temple whether it is poor or not. Turn the page, children. The last one, that is, you discard some of your shoes and clothes because now it is not of your use. So now I can give it to poor people. So this is what we have done. Now the next part is the learn in fun. Here you have to do is, there are many things in nature which gives us something without expecting anything in return. Draw any two such things you can think and write what do they give you. Now this is your homework. I won't be able to give you. This is very easy, a drawing part, and what the things give you, you can write it in these lines. You can the drawing part can be done here. Okay children? So the next part is, what can you learn from the following things? This is very interesting. An ant. Here you see an ant. We learn from ant. We learn togetherness and working together or work together. A dog. A dog is always loyal. His unconditional love and companionship. Then we learn from a clock to always be punctual and to do things in time. Then the last is the tree, to be aware of our surroundings, and tree is a thing which gives the people the shade. So there are different kinds of qualities of a tree. Now time to find out. This you will be doing in the next video. We can discuss it, but till here you complete it, and the homework you will do it in your book only, and rest these question answers will be done in the copy. So copy down all the question answers nicely. Till then we will meet in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.